Hi everyone, welcome back to the session for the AI/ML project. So we are supposed to make the project, but it's gonna be a delay for the one day. But for now that we gonna have some revision of the theoretical things for a real quick way, and afterwards we will end the session for that. And now we have the uh, face detection project for that. Uh, we use the Arduino IDE for that, Python, right? All those things. So just have a quick look of the NLP, and afterwards that will end the session for today. So NLP refers that the natural language process focuses on the teaching computers to understand and interact with the human language. So teaching the computers to understand human languages like text, speech, NLP, and applications such as the translation, chatbot, sentiment analysis, even though in what way that the person is talking about. Is he angry, is he happy, or is he desperate, something like that have to be recognized. That text summarization we have to think of it. So here we have the couples of components of the NLP that we can go for it. So tokenization here, so which means that the breaking down the text into smaller unit and part of speech, labeling words based on their grammatical function, named entity recognition, what it does mean, identifying and classifying key elements like name, dates, and location, etc. Sentiment analysis, which means that the determining if a text expresses a positive, negative, or neutral emotion. Text generation and the summarization, so which means that the generating text responses or summarizing large text data into uh, shorter summarization. Steps to prepare a NLP project. It's a super easy way. You can have some look in that. So first of all, that we have to defining your goal, which means that solving a specific problem overall, right? Sentiment analysis tools for customer feedback. So if a customer having issues, so what uh, sentiment it has have to be look up for and work on in that. Data collection, which means that the gather data relevant to your project NLP data set can come from various sources like public data set and many other all the things. Private you can have some popular sources for the NLP data sets. Kaggle is really actually a wide platform to use the data set. Google data set search, Hugging Face data set. Data pre-processing, so cleaning text, remove irrelevant element. Tokenization, split the text into token for analysis, remove stop words, right? Stemming and monetization, so reduce word to their roots for which helps to standardize the text. Feature engineering, which means that the extract features that your model can use. So for an example, bag of words and TF-IDF, word embedding. Choose an NLP model as suitable for your business. Very simple. Model training evolution, train the model that you have choose. Deployment is the deploy into the real world. So ideas, you can have the product reviews, text summarization tools, chatbot customer support, even though the language translation for a real time, actually spam detection, we can have this consider for it. Library is what we can use here for that. NLTX space Hugging Face transformation, pre-trained model, so like bot GPT from the Hugging Face model hub, make it easier to use complex NLP without extensive training, actually, though. So they have been trained and default by that, and just you have to use it, run it, and it's gonna do your work easily for real quick. data preprocessing tools, so use pandas for handling data set, and sklearn for machine learning and model evaluation. That's what, guys, we can have some project on it for soon. Tomorrow will be the project day, and afterwards they will be completing the AIML session, and afterwards we'll be jumping into the some new activities, new session, more of a like a Power BI, Python, and all those have to be stay around it. So that's all of my time for the today. See you in the next, catch you in the next. Till then, bye, peace.